Welcome back. Use the product to sum formula to evaluate cosine 11 pi over 12 cosine pi over 12. Okay, so we have, this is our alpha, this is our beta. So we have cosine alpha cosine beta is equal to 1/2 cosine alpha minus beta plus cosine alpha plus beta. Then we have cosine 11 pi over 12. I will remove that and some space. Cosine pi over 12 is equal to 1/2 cosine 11 pi over 12 minus pi over 12 plus, sorry, it should be like that, cosine 11 pi over 12 plus pi over 12. And then we have 1/2 cosine 10 pi over 12 plus cosine pi or 12 pi over 12. And then we have 1/2 cosine 5 pi over 6 plus cosine pi. Then we have 5 pi over 6, that's the limits with something with 30 degrees. So we have 5 pi over 6, and then we have 180 over pi. So this is 30 by 30, and then we have 150 degrees. Okay, that's on the second degree, and cosine on the second degree, sorry, second quadrant. So in the second quadrant, but I'm going to do 30 degrees here. We have the adjacent side, which is square root of 3, and the hypotenuse, which is 1. Then we have square root of 3 over 2 over 1. Okay. No, sorry, I'm confused. This is supposed to be 2. Okay, this is supposed to be 1. Such that we have now 1/2 cosine 5 pi over 6, that is on the second quadrant. So we have negative square root of 3 over 2 plus the cosine pi, that is negative 1. Then we have negative square root of 3 over 4 minus 1/2. So by 2 there, multiplied by 2, then we have negative square root of 3 minus 2 over 4. Next, write the following difference of signs expression as a product. So this is our sine alpha and our sine beta. We have now sine alpha minus sine beta is equal to 2 times sine alpha minus beta divided over 2 cosine alpha plus beta over 2. Let's see if I remembered it right. There you go. 2 sine, sorry. 2 sine alpha minus beta over 2 cosine alpha minus beta. Okay, that's it. So we have now sine 4 theta minus sine 2 theta is equal to sine at 2 times sine 4 pi minus 2 pi over 2 cosine 4 pi plus 2 pi over 2. And then we have 2 sine 2 theta over 2. Then we have only theta here. Cosine 6 theta over 2. Then we have 3 theta. Okay. Some more. Evaluate cosine. This time it is cosine. I don't remember. There you go. So it should be negative to sine. Okay. This is our alpha. This is our beta. So we have cosine alpha minus cosine beta is equal to negative 2 sine alpha minus beta over 2 sine alpha plus beta over 2. I wrote it wrong. It should be plus there, and this should be minus. Okay? It's not that easy to remember everything. Minus 2 sine, if this is our cosine 15 degrees minus cosine 75 degrees, have sine 15 degrees plus 75 degrees over 2, no plus there, multiplied by sine 15 degrees minus 75 degrees over 2. Then we have negative 2 sine, that's 90 degrees over 2 sine 60. What will be here? 60 degrees, negative 60 degrees over 2. And then we have negative 2 sine 45 degrees sine negative 30 degrees. Okay, 45 degrees we know already, or I hope you know. We have 45 there. This is equal this is 1, and this is A, this is A. So we have, no, that is not 1. Yeah, that is 1. So we have 2a squared of 2 is equal to 1. And then we have a is equal to square root of 1/2. So we have square root of 2 over 2 if you derive that. So we have now negative 2 times square root of 2 over 2 sine 30 degrees 30, and then we have square root of 3 there, 1 there, 2, sorry, and 1 here. And then we have 1/2 times 1/2. But it is negative 30, so we have negative 1/2. Then we have square root of 2 over 2. It says there that to check the answer with a graphing calculator. If you want to do that, then do it. I did it and it's correct. Cosine 15 degrees minus cosine 75 degrees is the same as square root of 2 divided by 2. Okay. Now we're going to prove some identity, but I guess I'm going to do that in my next video. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and see you soon when you come back and watch for this. It's good to solve them first before you watch them. Okay.